Hello and welcome to Southeast Ohio Solar Haven once again. Well, I guess past couple of days me and the wifey's been doing some little bit of garden work, so kind of added on these little extension boxes there on the end there since it's just dirt. Wife will get in there and probably do whatever. I'm not sure if I'm going to add any extension boxes here on the end or not, but it's something to wait and see, I guess. It's been pretty dang muggy here, actually. As you can see, we got the solar kind of cloudy going, as you can see, but it still makes good power. Yeah, just been sweating to the oldies here. Felt like Gene Simmons sitting here. Not Gene Simmons. What's his name? You know, the exercise guy. Gene Simmons. I think I'd be sticking my tongue out 14 inches long, probably. Still working on the stump. I got some scrap here. Busting up some pallets, and I didn't need, so I just busted all that up right there and stacked it on the burn pile. Seen this little I guess chair, whatever you want to call it. Somebody threw it out to the curb, and this little corner down here was all buggered up. I just took my little Harbor Freight 80 amp stick welder to it, set it down to about 30 amps, welded it. Sets perfect. As you can see here, don't have a pile of wood behind the building no more because it got burnt there a few days back on top of that. But yeah, just doing some clean up and getting ready to do this awning work here sometime soon. I'm going to put an awning across the top of the building right here. That way it don't rain. I need one more of these pallets. I got one in the garage inside the house, but I want one more. Then I can make like a porch here. But yeah, nothing going on except my mess in here still. The solar in here is going strong. As you can see, the voltage sitting there at 25.5, 27.5 float. Bringing in a little bit of power on that charge controller, just to keep everything charged up and nice. And as you can see, my power usage isn't much. It's only 13.9 amp hour, so I'm probably only using 10 to 15% of that battery at nighttime with the light I have running out here. But during the day when the sun's out, it's endless use. I still got the power inverter on here, so I can use it. Charge the volt battery, which I got plenty of. I'll have a review coming up pretty soon. As you can see, that's the chainsaw. Better fear that thing. That's a power monster. But yeah, my wife likes to call me the DeWalt King because I have a bunch of DeWalt tools. She's not joking. I mean, got the fan over here in the corner, some more stuff. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. But yeah, just a little update on what's going on. That's the new Holland tractor. I did finally get done with the water tanks. I actually redid a little bit of work on them and actually put these couple links on here, and I finally glued all this together. And I put one down there too for easy disconnect. That way if I needed to work on that tank or move it, all I got to do is disconnect these and we're good to go. Got another pallet here, and it's got some good wood. At the price of wood going on right now, I'd say bust these puppies apart and get what you can if if it's just something you need wood for to do a small project with. It's what I do. Nice green woods, I like it. Love it. Oh, looky there, wood boar. Yeah, well, he'll probably enjoy that wood. Yeah, bring you back through the overhead shed part. As we can see up on the hill there, you can see a stake and part of the property marker lines. Plus they were doing topography or whatever it is for land elevation. So I'm going to take it that the power company is going to get on the ball here pretty soon. So probably won't see a lot of those. And I think I know this big tower here is going to go because they're going to single monopoles. So it's going to be a fun project to watch over. And hopefully when they do it, I catch them, I can record it for you. That way we can have fun. But yeah, been working on the garden. My wife mostly did all the planning and stuff, rearrangement. I just had to do a couple things here and there, but we did it differently this year. We didn't put a lot in because last year we felt it was kind of overcrowded. So we kind of, you know, instead of having a whole bunch of tomato plants, we got one there and like one or two there over on the end. We don't got a bunch of tomato plants because we, you know, just the bare necessities towards that when they get that area, when they're ripe and all that, and you're ready to be picking and stuff, you know. You don't have to go to the grocery store and get fresh garden vegetables. You can pick them right out of your garden. Why not, right? So yeah, not much going on, like I said. Just wanted to give you guys an update on what's going on. I know you guys have been wondering where I'm at. So yeah, I'm here, just busy doing stuff. I should be recording some of it, but sometimes I just forget the phone and don't even think about it, to be honest. So I'm gonna let you all go, and I hope you have a nice day. Stay safe. Once again, please like and subscribe down there. It only hurts once. Hit that like button more too, and hit that subscribe button. And I hope you enjoy what I put out for you. Talk to you later, ladies and guys.